Alright guys, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to play this video for you so you get a chance to write this stuff down. But here are the items that you're going to fill in. You're going to use kickball, soccer ball, tennis, hockey puck, soccer net, hockey net, tennis rackets, hockey sticks, football, dodgeball, penny, um, lacrosse stick, and lacrosse net. Now these are all going to go right here. Okay, so these items here are going to go here. And you're going to have to put the quantity of these items all right in here. And then you're going to have to put the cost of these items right here. Now, what the cool thing is I'm going to use an example. So say, for example, I do kickball. And you won't be able to do this copying and pasting like I'm doing because you don't have it on your sheet. Watch what happens to these columns here. This is so cool. Boom. It goes right in. Now the tax one, if nothing happens with that tax one like mine just did there, okay, I want you to go back and check it. Sometimes we just need to re-drag it down. And if that doesn't happen, well, we'll just come over here and we'll adjust it. We'll go and make sure that we got the J. We do have the J. Is it D4? It is D4. So let's just put the formula in one more time. So we'll go equal sign. We'll click here. And we're going to do a multiply. And we're going to click on this. And we'll hit enter. And now we've got the correct answer. What we might want to do is go ahead and highlight two of them. And then drag that down. And maybe that will give us the correct. And I'll test it out right now. I think I might be able to just highlight all of these and put those in. And again, that didn't work. So you might have to work with this tax one. It might work for you though because I'm copying and pasting. That might be the reason why it's not working. But again, if it doesn't, hey, you're going to have more practice with using these formulas. And that's the way I'm looking at it. Is it's a win-win. So there's the correct answer. And let me just test one more and see if that is actually the reason why. I'll do tennis ball, and I got 80 down as quantity. I've got $8 each. Yep, it's going to need for you to do the tax each time. So go ahead and do that tax each time. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to let you get a chance to look at that really quick and jot those down. So I'm going to keep this up here for you so you can see these. So you get a chance to see what I'm looking at here. And I'm going to try to zoom in for you so you get a better view of it. That will probably help you. There you go. I'll keep that up there for a couple seconds. Hopefully that was enough time. If it's not, guys, you can always come back and look at that again. Good luck, and the next movie will show you how to do some sorting, and we're going to next start to look at some graphing.